Hello, hello, hello.
Shut up! It's starting!
Did you know that this Lavinia used to be very grateful and joyous about everything she had in her life? But then this Lavinia, she changed everything. She was a literal rebel. This Lavinia also. But then this one pulled herself together, had a very valuable and warm time actually with her family, and you know what? She changed herself again. She started finding happiness in the smallest thing ever. Hey everyone, I am Laranya Bharti and you are watching Unscripted Laranya. Honestly, people think that luxury and the expensive items, they are the main key to happiness. Yeah, people actually believe that I don't have this, I don't have that. So, they just keep on expecting more and more, right? They don't find happiness and they are not grateful about what they actually have. It is not good, right? You can actually find happiness in the smallest thing ever. So, right now, pause this video, ask to yourself, why did I come here? And then resume again. Alright, so having like a small victory, it feels amazing for couple of minutes, right? Just for a small period of time, right? It can be either making people happy around you or doing a task like reading a book or anything like that, or maybe just filling the water bottles. But most of us, we always go towards the bigger victories out of sudden. Like you can't achieve it out of the blue. You need to have consistency for that, right? So before that, why don't you try to be happy in small wins and small victories? Like that is literally just celebrating your own hard work, right? That is celebrating basically, being happy in your small victories means just celebrating whatever hard work you had put in that work. It means that. And it's really nice. It's a very positive activity actually. The role of forgiveness. Well, I used to hold grudges back then. Like, seriously, I used to become so grumpy and I used to sulk a lot. Like, whenever I used to have any sort of argument with anyone, I had to get grumpy. I always expected the other person to apologize to me, come to me first, and talk to me and everything. But holding grudges, what it does, it basically it adds up to your expectation, which just makes everything more awful, because when things don't go your way, you just feel low, you just feel way low, right? So that is why I learned to forgive but don't forget. Honestly, thinking about the past just makes you feel more stressful, right? Because you keep on thinking to yourself about what you did, like you keep on regretting what you did and what you could have done instead, right? But what you need to do is basically, bro, snap out of it. People need you here. Your present is actually where you belong. Once the past is written, it cannot be erased, right? But you can uplift yourself in the present. You can be a better person in the present so that you can make a perfect future for yourself, isn't it? So live in the present. Just enjoy whatever thing is going on. Like you made a meal for yourself, enjoy it. Like actually, it's not like you are eating your meal and you are thinking about yesterday. I had to do diet and I ate chocolates. Oh my god. No. eat your food, enjoy your food. I yapped a lot, but this is gonna be the most important part of the whole video. Like, seriously. How to actually be happy in the smallest moments of our life. Yeah. So, life is so hectic now. Like, seriously, so hectic. You can't tell me you have no work and you are not tied up with anything, because I know, man, something just comes up out of the blue also. So you never get time for yourself, and that demotivates you more to actually do self-care and try the things that actually make you happy. That thing, the hectic schedule, it just demotivates you even more. But here is what you actually need to do. Go to any corner of your house, like any corner of your house, right? And then after that, take out a notebook, think about your entire day and write it down. But make sure no pet, no friends, no parents, no one should be there, right? Just you alone. Write about your entire day, then think about just two things that you want to improve for that particular day, right? Whatever you wrote. Now, after you have done that, try to make it better. Try to become a better version of yourself. Just 15 minutes every day. Analyze your entire day and get better. Just try to make it more better every single day. I know it sounds a bit tedious, but it will literally save 15 years of your life. Just 15 minutes are gonna save 15 years of your life. I mean, seriously, trust me, you guys need to try this, And another thing that you have to do is try to be positive, right? Like, most of the time. It can't be that every time we can't be happy, right? But most of the time, we can all try to be positive at least, right? You lost a match, it's okay. We can try again, right? We will practice again and we will win the next time. You got less marks, you got bad marks, or you failed. It's okay. It's completely okay. We will try again. It's not over until we win, and it's not over until we are satisfied by our own self, right? Well, let me tell you one more thing. It's all about your mindset. People who have luxury are not just happy because of the luxury they have. They are actually happier in their life because they know that how to use that luxury. It's all about mindset. Anyways, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you all loved today's video, Lara Lights. Like, seriously, I had put lots of effort for this video and I searched a lot. Well, I am sorry for being so inactive. I promise to be more active on YouTube. And also, this was the first episode of self-improvement on my channel, and I will continue to make more videos like this, and I will also try to do vlogs. Thank you for today. Bye. Have a nice day and make sure to do whatever I told you today. Bye.